Giving up does not mean that you are weak. Sometimes the best and bravest thing to do is to give up, just so you can move on and start a new battle. Kasi minsan pinipilit natin yung mga bagay na hindi naman talaga para sa atin. Nilalaban natin yung una pa lang talo na tayo. Maybe because in denial lang tayo kaya nilalaban na lang natin. The key here is to accept and do not be afraid to give up. Baka kasi nagsasayang ka na lang ng oras, hindi naman talaga para sa'yo. But I am certain na merong magandang nag-aantay para sa'yo.
Something I'm giving up, I'm giving